the forest resource that's here. Many of us take that resource and we throw it in our fireplace, we get heat, and we don't think about the value of the trees in this forest. But these trees, the sugar maple, black cherry, the birch, the red maple, oak, ash, are valued all over the world. They're prized hardwood. Sometimes we lose sight of that here. My products are one of a kind. What I do is take that hardwood and I assemble it by choosing different species of hardwood. Each species has a different color and a different texture, a different shade. On the lathe, I can get patterns in that design. The trees are the resource for my product. And without the trees, there's no product. Sometimes people give me a little tropical wood or something, but I don't have to go buy something from the West Coast or somewhere else. It all exists right here. The Catskills are a unique place. There's a rich history here, going all the way back to when the hemlocks were harvested to tan the leather for the northern side in the Civil War, up through the time when the hotels were huge here and people came from New York City. They came by train and they came for the summer and the week. It's gone through hard times and ups and downs, but honestly, it's so unique, and especially because 100 miles away is this city with this, 11, 12 million people, and you come up here and it's pristine. So the Catskills are special. You don't find them anywhere else. This is a big deal right here.